Hello, what's up, my lovely? Welcome back to my channel, Cowboys and Cowgirls. How you doing? How's the day? Anyway, today I'm here to tell you guys that in terms of remember the last time I was with you guys, I tagged you along to go to Ambogo farm, and I bought some seedlings, and I told you guys I'm gonna try them. I'm just going to show you how to prepare land before you put your plants on. And since it has been raining some few days, some 3 days or so, I thought this is the best time to plant my spinach. So we are going, this time around I'm going to show you how to prepare the land and let the ground have like some bit of break. Like you're supposed to be like you till the land for like 2 weeks prior to planting. So all the agronomists, all the people, agriculture people, I'm gonna try this. I've not done agriculture, but I'm going to try you guys, and leave your comments about my do's and don'ts. Tell me if I'm doing it right, if I'm doing it wrong, and let me show you the land that we're just about to clear. I'm going to clear the land. I'm gonna dig out the and soften the soil so that by the time I'm planting, okay, I've already made a nursery bed for my spinach. And let me tell you guys, there's nothing like difficult like digging. It's my first time to dig, like seriously dig. So all my mistakes, anyway, there's no harm of trying and failing. So many people fail on something until they do it right, but I'm going to try this time around. I'll be doing this, and I want to tag you along, and you guys give me your advice on what to do or not to do. Yeah, so I think I'll try, because previously I had told you guys I tried planting arrowroots and to a small piece of land, and they really worked out. But let me show you the land that I'm about to clear and dig out. We're gonna do this with you guys. Yes, I'll be telling you things and I'll be putting them into action. Yeah, so inviting all agronomists or agricultural people to give me advice on what I'm doing right and what I'm doing wrong. Okay, I've researched and I've seen that I'm supposed to prepare the land before I plant whatever I want to plant. So welcome to my channel. Kindly follow me, subscribe to my channel, and let's become the cowgirls and cowboys family. Please don't feel shy to click the button. It's for absolutely free. It's absolutely free. Please subscribe to my channel and like, share, and comment. So this is the space I'm feeling like I'm about to till. This is the space. I'm going to clear all this grass, but I'm not going to put it to waste, because I can use it for mulching. So I'm going to gather all this grass and all this what do we call them, banana leaves, and then I put them one place, like a container or something. I mean, like some whatever. I'll gather this this grass at one point and clear the space, and then I till the entire of this space, the entire of it, and leave it for 2 weeks to like have a breather. And I'm going to do it alone, guys. I'm just going to feel so I'm scared, like, yo, this is a lot of space. I'm not good in digging, and I'm just going to try it for you guys, the things I do for you people. Oh my god. So I'm going to dig this place literally, and dig it and leave it for 2 weeks for aeration. And yeah, make sure that I'll do the aeration. Let me go and show you the place that I have planted. I've done the seedlings for spinach that I'm going to later on transplant to this place that I'm going to till. After digging and aerating, I'll still do like furrows. I'll do furrows systematically, and then is where I'm going to transplant my spinach. And we're going to be doing all of this with you people. So yeah, let me tag you along. Just hold on. I show you where we have planted those spinach seedlings. Come along. So this is where I've put my seedlings. They are sprouting. They're supposed to take like 3 weeks. I did a bit of, yeah, and I'm watering, but I hope you can see them. Tiny ones, those ones. Yeah. And this is fenugreek. I bought fenugreek as well. It's called methi. It has really grown. I'm just trying. There's nothing harm to try. So guys, wish me luck on my digging. Laters. You see, what is motivating me is this arrowroots. It is like 1 month, 2 months ago, I bought these seedlings and planted on this small land. Actually, this is the upper side. Most of the arrowroots do well on riverbeds, but I really said I'm going to try, and I've come to realize there's no way you can plant anything, because this is the upper side. There's no river around here because it's near our house, and I've done a lot of mulching. Mulching has really worked for me, and I'm super excited because arrowroots have no much work once you plant and you do good mulching. They take a lot of months, because they take like 6 months. So this I'm going to like harvest in December. Guys, give me business, because I bet I'm going to get several kilos from this small land. I just went against my fears and said, kwani who are the farmers? I can even also try something out. So yeah, and it has really worked for me. So guys, give me business. I'm going to be your arrowroot seller. Oh yeah, so that's why I'm motivated to plant spinach as well. So yeah, anyway, today's not about arrowroots, today's about spinach. Laters. Guys, like I told you, now let the work begin. There are the tools of my work. Oh my god, why is this camera not doing as I want? Let the work begin. You're not talking. Vloggers, you talk. I'm clearing. It's called clearance. You don't talk. She had said I'm clearing. She had said I'm clearing. I said I'm going to clear here. Oh my god. Oh.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. hide my bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost my soul. Darling, where were you when my heart was on the ground? I thought time would prove that you would stick around. I guess time stood still, a king without his crown. Now I'm breaking and you're faking, girl. You never made a sound. Oh, wait, I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm done with yesterday. Water. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm done with yesterday. Water. I fell where my demons dwell, my own little nightmare, I call it hell. Oh well, it's time to get back up, climbing and climbing. I'm done with this ride, is what I tell myself, so I could feel something else.
So tiring. What? Guys, you know what? I underestimated farming. Chai. It's very tiring. What? So guys, I'm going to finish this tomorrow. Let's end the vlog here. I'll show you the end product. See ya. Oh my god. Guys, I underestimated farming. Yikes. It's so hard working, but I'm trying. See, I'm trying. So, guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more of this. I've sweated out. Please subscribe to my channel. Please follow, and leave a comment and tell me, am I doing anything? Lord, I've really gotten tired. I never thought it's that hard to dig. Why? Oh my god, hands down for all those people who do it. Oh my god, I'm sweating, but I'm feeling so good. Anyway, I'll show you the progress later, and please subscribe to my channel.
I'm